Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on Moodeng. Wanted to post an update. I mean, it's been a while since I covered Moodeng last, and I know quite a lot of you are interested in that. So here we go. I mean, we're going to I'll try to talk about everything that's going on right now. This morning we actually did have some more activity than normal. However, there are some things you need to know about that activity. Well, I almost have to sneeze. And just in general, I'll try to prepare you as well as I can about the potential and all the scenarios for Moodeng right here. All right, so let's get right into it. First of all, if we take a look at the structure here, I would argue that we are in a consolidation on the daily time frame. You can still see that we're holding the daily trend band here. That's ultimately good news if we actually want to start a new rally, right? So that is something I think you need to take into account. And I think, and that's also something I've thought about. You know, can we actually start a new rally right here? And I think ultimately the answer is yes. I mean, obviously we can, right? Starting a new rally is always a possibility. But when I take a look at this morning, I mean, there's some meme coins that are quite strong, and Moodeng also has decent volume, to be fair. But is it enough? At this point of time, I would say no. All right. I mean, meme coins generally in the weekend are already quite strong, right? So it's quite normal that we see a little bit of momentum right here. And even though the volume is quite good, the primary source of volume right now for Moodeng is leverage, right? And that's also what you can see right here in the open interest. We got a big spike of open interest right here earlier this morning during the Asian session, which by the way is also something I think you need to know. I mean, if we go to Velo right here, I should have looked this up before, but trust me, it's worth it to look up in the middle of this video. But if you take a look at the last month, what you can see is that yeah, I mean at times it has been, but you can see that the majority of the bullish momentum came during the weekend, right? So therefore this is all good, but we do need to make moves relatively quickly. The normal spot volume is actually not as high as I would like it to be. So, you know, do I think we can remain stable? For the short term, definitely yes. I mean, the technicals are definitely suggesting stability. The momentum that we can find at levels like 18 cents suggests stability. And I think, I mean, if you take a look at Bitcoin in general, that suggests stability as well. But then, you know, if you ask me, well, can we actually rally? I would say the answer is yes. But at this point of time, we do not have enough confirmation, not enough evidence for me to tell you that we are going to do that, right? I mean, you could say that since this point of time right here, the 30th of May, we formed some sort of a consolidation right here between 21.5 cents as the top and then 19 cents as the bottom. Now, when it gets interesting is when we are able to break above this level right here at 21.5 cents with more volume, right? So far, the volume has been pretty good, but we need more. And we need preferably also some volume that doesn't have, that doesn't only have open interest backing it up, right? I mean, you can see the last time we actually did have a lot of open interest backing it up as well. But then at least make it a little bit less than what it was with this move up, right? So then we can actually rally. But as at this point of time, first of all, we have rejected at that level. The volume is not as high as it has been in the last months when we actually had a real breakout and a rally. Such as this point of time right here, the 18th of May. And the structure on the higher time frames is relatively stable as well. I would say it's most likely we would just remain stable, all right? And then if we actually do see a surge in volume and a breakout above 21.5 cents, well, then we can break out, right? But as that is not the case right now, I'm not going to tell you we are going to break out. I just think you need to know it's a possibility. It's a realistic possibility, but it's most likely we will remain stable from here. And those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know regarding Moodeng right here on the higher time frames and the lower time frames as well. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.